What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Galaxy S23 Ultra with Cellunlocker.net. First thing you want to do is go to the Cellunlocker.net website. You're going to select your phone brand. Obviously it's Samsung. We do S23 Ultra. And then pick your network. I'm on AT&T, so there's that. Unlock your phone. Now for this, you're going to need your phone's IMEI. To get that, you're going to open your phone and dial *#06#. This will give you your IMEI. Make sure you use IMEI 1. If you use IMEI 2, it will come back and say they couldn't find it. So you enter your IMEI on the website and check unlock. Give it a few seconds to find your unlock code. Enter your information here and purchase. Once you submit your order, which I've already done, you're going to get an email. This email here saying, hey, we unlocked your phone. You're going to need this NCK code. This is your actual unlock code here. You can follow the instructions here. And it will bring you to this website. This site. NCK, this is just telling you that the NCK code is your unlock code. And instructions on how to unlock it. We're going to be using the alternate instructions because I don't have my foreign SIM card yet. So you're going to go back to your dialer and put in, where's it at? #7465625 *638 *#. It's going to bring up your network lock screen. This is where you need the NCK code, which is right here. So now we're going to enter that. 731530682 827 5752. Then you're going to press OK, and you should get a prompt saying, requesting unlock, unlock successful. And that's it. Just like that, your phone is no longer locked to a network, and you're free to use it on whatever network you would like. Thanks for watching.